Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the crown button and the side button together and keep holding them until the screen turns off. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Once the screen turns off, keep holding the buttons a little more and then you can release them. And after you release the buttons, you will see the Apple logo on the screen. Now you can wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.